Hi guys, I am Isa, and today I'm going to learn how to create a system information viewer using bash scripting and Emacs. So anyways, the first thing we have to do is to install Emacs. So Emacs is a text editor. It's not really a text editor, but simply it's just a text editor. So it's a text editor that we're going to be using to create our system information viewer tool. So you have to open up a terminal and then write sudo pacman sy Emacs. So that should install Emacs. So if we run Emacs, it should show something like this. So anyways, next thing we're going to do is install an Emacs work called Doom Emacs. So to install it, we have to open up our web browser. And then search for Doom Emacs. So we have to open its GitHub page. So in here, it shows how to install it. So we have to do a git clone and then do this. Then we just type these commands. Then it should install Doom Emacs. So since I already have Doom Emacs installed, I just have to replace my existing config as my Doom Emacs config. So now, if we open Emacs, it will show this instead. So Doom Emacs uses the Vim key bindings. So anyways, to open a folder, we press space dot. So that is going to open their end, which is Emacs built-in file manager. So I'm going to go into documents and just wherever I want to put it. So now, if we want to start writing text, we have to press I to go to insert mode. And if we want to go back to command mode, press ESC. So to save the file, write a colon to write a command. Once write save, so it's gonna save it. So anyways, I'm going to open up another terminal to cd into documents, and where I put it. So I'm going to say chmod plus x sysinf.sh. So that's gonna make it to be executable. So if I run it, shows all of these. So if we run it, it shows nothing. So anyways, to do this, we're going to be using the uname command. So if I use uname help, it shows all of these. So now, I'm going to put all of those in printf. So I'm going to say printf. Kernel name. I'm going to say and uname s. I'm going to disable all the others. So I'm going to say printf node name. And uname n. I'm also going to say print kernel release. That's going to be uname r. I'm going to say kernel version. It's going to be uname v. I'm just going to continue looking for all the others, like printf machine equals to new name m. Also, we use these two ands to, do a command after doing a certain command. So, yeah. So, that's all. Now, let me just save it. And I run it also as sysinf.sh command. So, see, so it says kernel name, Linux, node name, kernel release, kernel version, machine, processor, hardware platform, and operating system. So, you can remove the ones that are not really needed and rename some of them. These. This and this. So I'm going to replace this with host name. Let's just say just replace this with just kernel. Let's replace this with architecture. And this one is going to be the operating system. Now it shows that. So anyways, so this thing we're going to cover is the difference between printf and echo. So if we use echo and use another echo, you'll see that it's going to create a new line before using the other echo. So, and if we replace these echoes with printf, there's not going to be any lines between it. So that's why we use printf for our system info viewer tool. So if we replace one of these printfs with echo, if I save it and run it, you can see that so there's going to be a new line created before the uname command runs, because the uname command already generates a new line, so we don't need that new line. Although if we want there to be a new line in printf, we can use the /n. Let's say /n. That means new line. So now it still says that. Those are another new line by using another /n. No, so it's a backslash, not a forward slash. So anyways, I'm just gonna return it back to normal. So that's how to make your own system info viewer tool using bash scripting. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. So bye!